Hello, if you're looking to use the cable, what you want to do is make sure that you grab one of these remotes and click the input button. Once you click the input button, that will allow you to select the Player One HDMI 3, and you want to make sure it says Direct TV. So you see here it says Direct TV. Once you say that, you can click it. And now you're officially in cable and you can select the channel of choice. If you want, you can also use the second remote and speak into the channel that you want to select by pressing here and speaking into it. If not, you're welcome to just continue to use, again, this remote by clicking the guide button, which we're in right now. If you need to exit, you hit exit. This remote does the exact same functionality. Hit the guide button and select your channel of choice. Now, if you're looking to use the smart applications, you're going to want to pick this app button and click app. Once you click the app button, then you can log into your account. If you have a Netflix account, your YouTube account, any of choice for you to actually start streaming. Again, you have the option of logging out, adding a profile of your choice, and happy streaming. All right, so make sure you use any one of these videos, any one of these remotes to guide you so that you can have a smooth experience enjoying your stay and your shows here at Toll House.